I can move. I mean, look, I can sit. Look at this. I can do one of these. I haven't been able to do this for never.
Nice.
Isn't that
This
amazing?
is so cool.
All right.
Oh, this is the best.
What does it feel like now?
I can walk. I don't feel like I'm...
This knee's been replaced.
Mhm.
This one, have they
This
talked about a
is the-
replacement there?
Oh yeah, he wants to replace it like as soon as possible, and I'm going no. But it's cracking really bad.
Okay.
The pain is right through here.
Yeah.
But, you know, I'm feeling it like when I'm going up the stairs, this just really sore right through the...
Wow. Okay. Do that?
Well, I'm going to go upstairs. I'm
Let's go do it.
excited to try the stairs. I can move.
Wait, this is right after doing the soft wave today,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
what are you
This is
noticing?
really- I'm not feeling any pain up here at all. None whatsoever.
A lot of inflammation has gone down in the leg.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it already does look
We
like it.
might even maybe do it something even if it
Yeah.
isn't.
We're gonna prevent this from getting a replacement, right? That's the goal.
Yeah, yeah. I look how. Oh my word! I can't believe how
Yeah.
much it's gone.
Inflammation is total.
It doesn't hurt at all.
All right.
Oh, this is the best.
What does it feel like now?
I can walk. I don't feel like I had an oops. Yeah, I don't feel like I had an operation.
Crazy, huh?
Serious. I can do the stairs. Look at that.
This is just right afterwards. So how does it feel right now?
Oh, it's great. Just squat.
Does it feel any different?
A lot further. I can't even feel it. I
That's
can feel
amazing,
it on
huh?
This one. I can't feel it on this one at all.
Wow.
It's gone. It's gone.
Yay!
Good work, Judy.
Yeah. I mean, look, I can sit. Look at this. I can do one of these. I haven't been able to do this for never.
Nice.
Isn't that
This is
amazing?
so cool.
And you know what?
I love it.
It's gonna last a day or two, and then it may come back.
Yeah.
And then after a few visits, you'll have this permanently doing better.
Yeah.
That's what we're getting.
And then, yeah,
Yeah.
we're gonna do both regions.
Okay.
Even though this is still super, super numb and everything
Crazy,
else,
huh?
I would be thrilled to have it,
Yeah.
have it feeling just great again. Just so cool. I am just so excited.
Now that we're doing the laser therapy, this also regenerates tissue. You can Google that. You can ask ChatGPT.
Oh, this is
You
so
can look up any kind of medical literature from foot and ankle surgeons to regenerative specialists. There's no disagreement that this also, along with doing the soft wave, will heal the tissue and help it. So, yeah.
It's like I feel almost normal. I haven't felt normal. I mean, you know, as this has gotten better, this has gotten worse.
Yeah.
And now all of a sudden, this is no pain.
And now we've just introduced the laser on top of that. So just wait till this kicks in too. You're gonna
This
get
is unreal.
lots of healing.
It's soft.
Oh my gosh, we finally treated
Yeah.
this side. Wow, that feels like it's
Remember
not even
how
there.
hard it was? I showed it last time I came. I showed you how hard that was.
Yeah, well, I was comparing both sides.
Yeah, I mean,
Wow, this
it's
side's
just
loosened
unreal.
right
This
up.
has never been in the last since the operation. This has been as hard as a rock. It's soft.
That's amazing, huh?
Yeah.
And actually, it's kind of crazy. We actually came down here and
Yes.
did the ankle,
Ankle.
which is where she felt the pain up here, and that's
I could actually.
So when you
feel
were
it.
working here, you could feel it down there.
Yeah,
so I came down here and put a few shocks down here,
and we could feel it here.
She could feel it up there.
Which is really curious. I mean, this is all one bone, but the
Yeah.
attachments for muscles, it's the ankle causing problems with the knee, and your knees are causing problems with your ankles, so they all
Yeah.
need some support. That's awesome.
Yeah, that was so cool. That was fun.